What's up guys, Domi from Supercar Blondie here, and today I have the craziest all-terrain supercar you've ever seen. Meet Pro Drive Hunter. Look how huge this is, and this whole body is made of carbon fiber composites, and it also includes recycled materials, which I personally love to see. Are you even seeing the size of that windscreen? It's huge, just like a plane. There's not much to talk about here, but once you get under the car, that's where the fun starts. Look at that. You see that suspension? It's crazy. All these parts are insane. This is also once you fly over the sun dune and you land heavily, which we see at Dakar rally cars do all the time. This is going to protect you from falling hard and possibly injuries as well.